Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to now try to get these lights to light up. So we're going to be modifying these. We're going to do a function to modify these. Okay. Now we're going to need more properties in the model. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste more properties in the model because we're going to need these. One's going to be a timeout count, so that's going to just be like the index. And the other one is going to be the actual array. So that's going to increment every time we add a timeout, and that's going to add it to this. Okay, because when we create these timeouts, we're going to need to close them. Now this code, the code for this is going to be similar to the code that I did in that video about timeouts. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to be using our functions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste it in, and I'm going to talk about it. Now this one, it's sort of a generic function because we're going to be creating so much timeouts. We're going to do a lot of repetitive tasks, and I decided to put all the repetitive tasks into this function. For instance, we're going to increment that timeout and add it to the index. We're going to we're going to start the timeout, add an array, and it's going to have a function here. So we're just going to pass this in, and we're going to pass the period in. Okay. So most of the timeouts that we have, it's going to do exactly this. So we're going to use this to handle them. Okay. Now I'm going to create something for the sound. I want to create it above this music controller. So I'm going to copy and paste it in. I'm going to talk about it. Okay, what this one does is it needs to modify one of these keys. Okay, that's what it's going to modify. It's because it wants to switch the lights on. Now it's going to use this array. Obviously, this array matches these keys. So we're going to pass a number in, and it's going to use the number to find the string. And after it gets the string, it's going to use this function that I created earlier to dynamically set the state based on this string. You remember before I wasn't able to do it, and I had to do this function to do it. Okay. Now as you can see, there's two timeouts in this. Okay. One of them switches the light on by using the set state, and the other one switches it off. So we're gonna have a start, stop, and a color. Okay, this gets the key from the enum. Then it does this set state, and then whatever key we have here, it will set it to true at the start. So if that's 0, it'll do straight away. If this is a second, it will turn it off. So it's just going to switch it on and off, just like we discussed in the previous video that we did about timeouts. Okay. Now another thing we need a function to stop all these timeouts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a function, copy and paste, and talk about it. This just checks whether the model timeout is a true thing. If it is, it does a loop and it does clear timeout on all the timeouts that we create. So if we create 100, it will just stop all of them. Okay. Now this stop timeout needs to go in the paragraph. So let me find it. Okay, so that's got in there. So now in the paradigm, I'm going to do a test, see if it's working. Let's just turn it off. So what should happen now? One mic should flash, then the other one should flash. Okay, let's see if that happens. Can you see how that worked? So that's now working. Now if I do this, we should get it to play sound and noise at the same time, because as you can see, these values here match these values. So what would happen is the program will get to this line and it will run all 4 lines at the same time. Not at the same time, but it would be close to the same time. Probably a millionth of a second with interval between each one, if not less. And then the timeouts would kick in, and then they would play. So I'm gonna start it to see what happens. Can you see that's playing sound? But as you can see, it's not switching off. Okay, and the reason why that is, it is because that truthy value, because this resets the state, that truthy value isn't true ever, so this never gets run. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move that to just underneath the thing that closes the sound. Let's wait a bit till it comes back. So now one sec. I may not have internet access, that's why it's done that. Because I haven't done any coding that will cause it to break. Apart from missing these off. Let me try and refresh. Okay, it's come back. Can you see how it now stops here? Okay, we now have light. And this is the end of the video. Till next time. Okay, bye.